I wake up in the morning and check my Instagram. Get up and use the bathroom and check my Instagram. I'm scrolling through the timeline on my Instagram. Screenshot a meme and then repost it on my Instagram.
What's up?
You did? Oh, let me take my other chain off. I gotta take my other chain off. Alright. Cool.
We back with a new video.
New one.
And today...
You ever did the Mukbang before?
No.
Alright, this is that first Mukbang from Jay Sean.
The
Dawn. So we about to eat some Burger King.
I know I be good.
We was gonna get some hot fries and something to drink, but she said she was hungry. And I
if anybody don't know me and my uncle, we love food.
We love food.
I just think I love food more than he do.
And this is a rodeo burger.
Which one is a rodeo burger?
Both of them are rodeo burgers.
Oh.
We got one rodeo burger each.
And that sauce with it. It's the hot sauce? Oh, barbecue.
I remember one time I was trying to, because they had barbecue sauce and cinnamon in a bottle. So I went to go see, like, to smell it.
Yeah.
I squeezed the bottle to, like, get the whiff of it. Man, I squeezed it, man, all that hot sauce went in my eye.
You want all these out or just...
Whichever, you could eat whatever you want. How many? Oh, I thought they had, like, 3 rodeo burgers. I say, thank God. Pull up in a demon on guard.
On God.
Looking like I still do.
Look like I still do fraud. I don't even know the rest of the song. But, you know.
Ryan Pester with the rod.
Okay.
That's the hot sauce.
Oh.
And
I don't know if we want to try to do the hot sauce because...
I just did it. It's hot as shit.
For real?
Yes.
Bookie, open this because you don't got no nails. Which one you eating first?
I eat like 5 of them. I just don't eat my roller burger.
Thank you.
Look at me, man.
I don't want to waste these. But it's good, yo.
You did?
You did. We in that thing, girl. And y'all make sure y'all go check out my Uncle Music
You did?
channel.
BookieDaGreat.com. That's all you need to know.
It's good. And, oh yeah, he do shirts.
And I do shirts.
He did the one I have on.
You did what it said. It says power in the middle, and you got girl, black, and a star. That's black, girl, star, power, and girl power, star power, and black power, and all that is powerful. Oh, fuck the Super Bowl. Fuck Tom Brady again.
Bro, we lost, man.
They cheated, though. You ready to come back?
We're talking to the doctor.
I think Maybach ready to come back, y'all. I'm coming.
This is about to be
back, y'all.
a good movie.
Everybody say hey to Maybach. Maybach. Look.
Maybach, hey,
say hey to Maybach.
to the camera.
See you wagging his tail, he saying hey.
That's
Don't be rude and don't say hey back. Matter of fact, leave a comment saying hey to Maybach. You did?
How y'all like my wig? It's a whole wig.
The Jackie wig.
And her name's Jackie.
Also, her name is Pat, if you're asking the right person.
Yeah.
It is.
Do you dig it?
Do you dig or do you dug?
It's not really that hot.
I know it's like right, it's enough hot. So we can eat it and keep eating it.
I thought we hot to the point it burns tongue. But it's not.
Let's see what they talking about on Twitter.
Niggas do it for the gram more than they do it for their kids.
Every night, I'm IG poppin'. Shout out to my ghost followers. They never like a thing. Every night, I'm IG poppin'.